Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So one of the most frustrating NotebookLM problems occurs when sources refuse to upload, get stuck processing, show import errors, or remain in a failed state indefinitely. So this can happen with PDFs, Google Docs, websites, YouTube videos, images, and other supported source types. Okay, so fortunately most upload failures are caused by file limits, unsupported content, browser conflicts, or temporary processing issues. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix sources not uploading in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, verify the source is supported. First, check whether your source type is supported, like NotebookLM currently supports PDFs, Word document, text files, Markdown files, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, images, audio files, websites, public YouTube videos, pasted text, so unsupported source types may fail immediately. Then check file size limits, like large files frequently cause upload problems, like NotebookLM currently limits uploaded files to maximum 200 megabyte per sources and maximum 500,000 words per source. So files exceeding these limits won't import successfully. So oversized files are one of the most common causes. Then test with a smaller file, like if you are unsure whether the problem is the file, upload a small PDF, a short document, a simple text file. If the smaller file works, the original source is likely the issue. So small test files help isolate problems quickly. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.